Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Soundcore A3i Earbuds, and in this video I am going to talk about 10 best features for these earbuds. So let's start. The first feature is about single usage mode. So you can use one earbud while the other one is charging, and if you change them the audio will not stop. The next feature is about fast charging. So if you are run out of battery for these earbuds, you can put them in your charging case, and with 10 minutes of charging, you will get 2 hours of listening time, which is really amazing. The next feature is about battery life. So with noise cancellation turned on, you will get about 6 hours of battery life, and if the noise cancellation is turned off, you will get about 8.5 hours of battery life. With a charging case, in total you will get 36 hours of battery life, which is really amazing. The next feature is about active noise cancellation. So these earbuds have active noise cancellation option as well. So you can use this button, you can press and hold it for 2 seconds and it will activate the noise cancellation. So it will reduce the external noise. You also have the transparency mode option as well. So here is the transparency mode, so you can switch to transparency mode as well if you want to have a natural listening experience. So guys, these earbuds have total 4 AI enhanced mics, so you will have loud and clear calls and noise around is filtered amazingly. The next feature is about waterproof. So these earbuds are IPX5 waterproof, so you can use them for gym workouts as they are sweat proof also. So you can use them under the rain as well. The next feature is about sound effects customization. So you can customize your equalizer for these earbuds as well. So you have to use this Soundcore app. Just open the app, select A3i, and then here you see this option of equalizer. Just select it. Once you select it, here you have two different categories. The first one is default. If you just select it and if you select this arrow, so here you have Soundcore signature bass up option as well. So if it is disabled, you can enable it as well. The next thing is you have 20 different preset profiles available in the default section. So you have this deep, flat, electronic, Latin, lounge, so different options available. So you can select any of these EQs. The next thing is if you go back, the second category is custom. If you select this custom and then you select this arrow, then you can customize your EQs as well. So I can customize them manually. So here you can see this is how I can customize my EQ. And then the next thing is if you want to add more EQs, select this plus icon, give it any name, press done, and here you can select a new custom EQ. So here you can see I can customize my EQ by myself. The next feature is about Soundcore App. So guys, these earbuds have Soundcore App option as well, where you can do all your customizations. So you can download this app through Play Store. So here is the app. If you just open it, so here you can see I already connect my A3i. So if you just select it, so here you have all different options available. So for example, if you want to customize your controls, so here is the controls option. So here you can see if you press once, so here are different options available for left and right earbud. But if you want to change them, for example, I select the left single press, volume down. If you just select it, here you can select any other option. You can select for next track, for previous track, for play and pause, all the options available. If I go back, and here we have press twice option, so you can select for left or right, select this arrow, and here you have more options available. So you can customize these things. The next thing is you can also customize the voice prompt option by just selecting this setting icon. So here is the voice prompt option. If you go back, you can select the equalizer equalizer. You can switch between different ambient sound. For example, if you want to switch to noise cancellation, transparency mode, or normal mode. So you can do all your customization through this app. The next feature is about grip. So guys, these earbuds come with two sets of ear tips. So with right size ear tip, it will give you best grip and they will not fall out during your workout session. So you can easily adjust this ear tip like this, and then you can easily adjust them in your ears. And then if you do your workout session or if you are in a gym, so they will fit properly to your ears. The next feature is about quick and easy pairing. So guys, these earbuds have Bluetooth 5.2 technology, so you will have ultra fast stable connection. So you can just put inside your charging case like this, turn on your phone Bluetooth. Okay, so I will just turn on my phone Bluetooth like this, and then it will start scanning and it will show you over here the Soundcore A3i. Just select it and then it will start pairing. So here you can see very fast it is asking me for pair, so I just select it and then you will see it will connect very fast. So here you can see they both are connected properly with my phone. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.